Hi everyone, my name's Adam from the Garage Woodworker, and today we're going to make this coffee table out of Australian redwood and pine.
I've been looking all around, trying to figure out what the hell really counts, when everything feels like it's filling up with doubt. Thoughts heading south and no one can hear me shout, and the voices in my head so loud, coming for the storm like a Seattle cloud. The sky's so gray, trying to figure it out, why I'm so down in the sunlight drought. Yeah, memories coming back to me of a simpler time when I was young and free, playing games with the kids lived next to me, didn't care about time or anything. Yeah, but things changed, turned 23, had to figure out what the hell was next to me. Do I do the safe thing, something guaranteed, or do I do what I love till my fingers bleed? It'll all be okay, figure out my own way, but for now here I lay and remember a day when I was young. When I was young, yeah. Smokestacks cause it's cold outside, fire burning from the other night. I can smell the coals on my soul, it makes me feel something deep inside. Memories of a better life, memories where I felt alive. In these times you could choose to survive, in these times you could choose to thrive. And I wanna make some, take control of my life and display some. Show the world what I love and go play some. Show the world what I love on a stage strumming. And I wanna make y'all feel the same, and I wanna take away all the pain, at least for a minute while I play. I wanna make you feel okay. I'll be okay, figure out my own way, but for now here I lay.
And now that I've run the slab through the table saw, I'm left with a little piece down the middle that I need to cut out. I have one of these weird, I don't know, saw axe looking things. Try to work out how to use the thing. Let me know down in the description if you know how to use it. Pretty sure it's actually an axe. No, I'm just kidding. I know it's a saw. I do. I know it's a saw. Okay, so I gave the two half slabs a quick plane on each side just to get them a bit smoother. Now I need to cut down the two live edges. Now for this one, it's got these little pits sticking up, so I'm going to run it through the table saw first and then cut it to width, and the other one, the pit's on the other side, so it doesn't matter. Now don't worry about this slab being wet. I just poured some wood on it for Instagram. If you look down in the description, you'll find a link just to show how the coffee table is going to look with stain. Okay, so now I'm going to add this edge on both halves. I'm going to do it in half so that they will then fit through the planer to get them all the same width. And then once I have the two halves fully planed, I will then join them again. Now to join the edges and then also when I join the middle, I'm going to use a biscuit joiner. Now to use the biscuit joiner, I need to make some reference lines so the biscuits will line up. Okay, so I just ran both the halves of the coffee table through the thickness of planer to get them the same thickness and smooth. I then ran the circular saw down the inner seam to get them square. Next thing I need to do is cut them on the miter saw to get them both the same length and square on each edge. Now that I've got both halves of the coffee table planed down, square and cut to the same length, next thing I need to do is glue them up using biscuits. Now let me just pause the video for a minute and explain a couple of things. Now after I finished the glue up, I ended up sitting the tabletop against the wall for about 3 months in my garage. Hence why I am no longer wearing pants and jumpers. And I also spent that 3 months spending a lot of time on myself, working out, trying to lose weight. You may notice that I'm actually a lot thinner in these videos coming up as opposed to the last few minutes. I made up some epoxy and coloured it with nail polish, which actually worked really well and filled all of the cracks to stabilise them and add a little bit of character. Now I was on to the legs, which I made with some 4x4 treated pine.
Tell me I'm right, tell me I'm wrong, tell me I'm weak, tell me I'm strong. I'll take a hit to the soul and move on. I know that everything I do is wrong, yeah. You don't know shit about me, you don't know shit about me. Nah, I'm falling down on my knees, looking to heavens I see. Your eyes are coated from feelings too strong. My legs are weak from always moving on. You come back hard in my mind every song. We used to sing but now I sing alone. I feel like shit, wish you were gone. I cannot quit, just move along. My mind is stuck, you don't belong, you don't belong. Ooh, oh, oh.
Lies hold truth, and I'll be fine without you, without you, without you, without you.
Hard times full of regret. You lied under every breath. I'm fine, I just need to forget. Bottle full, light a new cigarette. Lightheaded, I'm infected with thoughts of you injected, like heroin addicted to things inside my head. And your eyes, they pierce your veil. I try but always fail. My mind not strong of will. And still, I hope to one day move on. Know you already moved on. And as I write this cold song, I know that you won't hold on.
Lies hold truth, and I'll be fine without you.
That's enough, I'm broken, done with emotion, had enough.
So it turns out that these joints aren't as strong as I thought they would be. I mean, if I wasn't hitting on them with the mallet, it probably would have been fine. But I'm actually going to add some dowel rod, about 4 down the middle and a couple on each edge.
You lied under every breath. I'm fine, I just need to forget. Bottle full, light a new cigarette. Lightheaded, I'm infected with thoughts of you injected, like heroin addicted to things inside my head. And your eyes, they pierce your veil. I try but always fail. My mind not strong of will. And still, I hope to one day move on. Know you already moved on. And as I write
If you
this
like my video, be
cold
sure to hit that
song,
subscribe button down below and leave a like rating. You can also follow me on social media on Facebook and Instagram, and I'll have links to those down below as well. And I'll see you next time.